Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we've had a couple of parcels turned up and they're from Born Pretty. So we're going to be going through them and having a little look. So one of them is my PR parcel. So in the PR parcel we've got 3 gel polishes which are from their new Silky White series. We've got the Sea Blue magnetic gel, and we've got a new Born Pretty product which I am dying to try. So this is a clear spider gel. This stuff looks awesome, guys, let me tell you. So you get 15ml in a pot, UV LED soak off. Can't wait to try that. And then I ordered a few bits off their website. So I've ordered a white gel paint because I haven't got a Born Pretty white or black gel polish. So I thought I'll get the gel paint for now because I can use that for nail art and as a gel polish. So I decided to go for that. I've also got a Born Pretty polygel to try in the colour Pearl Pink. And then lastly, I can't wait to try these. They're so cool. So these are their acrylic pens, but they're glitter ones. Look at those colours. Some really smart colours in there, isn't there? So we're going to be taking a look at everything today, giving them a little swatch, and see what they're like. So I'm just going to get my swatch sticks ready, get everything unpacked, and then we'll get cracking. So we'll take a look at the Silky White gel polishes first. So this is CG061. Oh yeah, this is my kind of nude. Love that. That nude, I like that. I really like that. I'm gonna give that a quick cure. Next one is CG085. Oh wow. Now that is such a beautiful colour. Look at that. It's not quite a red and it's not quite a neon orange. It's just in between the two. Beautiful colour. Then we've got CG100. Oh wow, look how bright that is. Now that is a proper neon pink. Yes. Love that one. Look how bright that is. Beautiful. So now we're on to the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel, SB07. Oh, that is such a pretty colour. Look at that. So that's what it looks like over a clear. Beautiful. Let's see what it looks like with a magnet, shall we? Oh, it moves so fast as well. Look at that. Beautiful, really, really pretty colour that is, isn't it? So I'm going to give that a cure. Now I'll probably give that a second coat just to see what it looks like after 2 coats. Look at that, guys. I really like that. And I quite like to do like swirly pattern like this. That moves so fast. I quite like that kind of design. So quickly pop that in the lamp before it starts to move back. Now I want to try that over a black as well. Look at that. That is so cool. So I want to come back to that because I want to try that over a white as well. So I think I'm going to swatch this white gel paint and then we'll try it over the top of that. So let's get these gel paints swatched now, shall we? So this is the white gel paint. Ooh, that's a bright, bright white. I like that. Super pigmented as well. That super bright white. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. This is 002, the black gel paint. Oh, look at the black. That is 1 coat, guys. I like it. Right, shall we see what this sea blue cat magnetic gel looks like over a white? I think it's going to look really pretty. Just as a colour on its own. I like that. Without the cat eye magnetic effect. Look how pretty that is. It's basically the same as what it is over the clear, but it's just a more solid colour, isn't it? Where this is more of like a jelly gel, this is more of a solid colour. Let's see what it looks like with the swipey swipe effect. I like it. I can see some sea nails with this, like aquarium nails or something. I think that would look really cool. Yeah, aquarium nails. I've not done aquarium nails yet, so I think that might be on the list very soon. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. So I'm going to give that a cure. Right, let's take a look at the polygel now, shall we? So this is BP02 Pearl Pink. So with my polygels, I like to swatch them on a bit of paper. So here's my little swatch paper. I have already got BP01, which is their soft pink. Beautiful colour that is. I really, really like that. Ooh, this one looks nice as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, that's a pretty colour, isn't it? I like both of them. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. And I do like that these come in nice big 30-gram tubes as well. Not your normal tiny 15-gram tubes. I like that. So now, who is ready to see something really, really cool and brand new on the Born Pretty website? We've got the new clear spider gel. So excited to try this. It looks really, really cool. And you might be thinking, why would you want a clear spider gel? So the point in this being clear is so you can make any colour that you want. So you can use pigment powder, you can use gel polish, and for someone like me who hasn't got a lot of storage, this is a much better option rather than having to store loads of different colours. And whatever design you're doing, you can get the spider gel to match the colour. Right, I'm going to split that into 2 bits. So I want to try 2 different things. I want to try one with gel polish. I want to try this one with powder. Okay, so you could even mix glitter into these, like fine glitter, chameleon glitter, reflective glitter. Oh my days, the options are just endless, aren't they, really? I'll tell you what I have got. Shall we try this Born Pretty chrome powder? Look at that. I think that would be so pretty. Definitely going to try that. And then in this one, I like to make a white. So I'm going to try the blue sparkly one first. Now I thought this was chrome powder, but I think it's just really, really fine glitter. So, should we see how it goes? Hey, it works. Really, I could do with putting quite a lot more glitter in there. That is the only problem. But it's all trial and error. Like, it's the first time I've ever tried this stuff, guys. So please bear with me. But it works. That is so cool. I like that. Right, should we try the white one now? See what this white one's like. Yeah, that's working so much better. How cool is that? Well, not the design, obviously the design's not cool at all, but I like that. I just like that you can make any colour that you want. You know what, actually, I'm wondering whether I could use the clear and rub pigment into the clear. Should we try that very quickly? Because I'm keeping you way too long now, guys, sorry. Right, so I'm just going to do something really simple. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Let's see if this rubs into it, shall we? Oh, it does. Yes, it does. But I did make a little bit of a boo-boo. I should have either used a matte top coat or I should have buffed over that background, but I was just trying it, so it's not too much of a problem. But if you're going to use this effect, guys, make sure that you buff that top coat before you apply the spider gel, so the chrome powder doesn't stick to that background, if you know what I mean. Look at that though. I think that would actually be my preferred way of using it. I like that. Wow, beautiful. Such a cool product that is. I really, really like that. Right, we're on to the last item now, guys, which are these cool glitter acrylic pens. I'm not going to try all of these. I'm just going to pick a few different colours out. So I've given that a top coat. And now we're going to give these a try. So give them a shake. And then hold that nib down till you'll see it start coming out. Can you see that? Starting to come out of the nib. So you can see it coming down. So here we go. That is so pretty. And these air dry as well. Look at that green. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous colour. Gorgeous. Yeah, I like that. Beautiful colour. Look at those. They are really, really pretty, aren't they? There's my little drawings. Yeah, I can see me using these so much. Some things are just easier to draw than what they are paint. So that is some of the colours. So you get 12 colours in this pack. But I'm not going to swatch the rest of them today, guys. But you will see me using these very soon in a few designs, I'm sure. So like I say, this air dries. So I'm just going to put this to the side and let it dry. Right, guys, that is everything. I really didn't want that to end. It was so fun. So before we go, let's have a quick look at the swatches again very quickly. So these are the 3 gel polishes out of the Silky White series. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? Really happy with those. This is the Sea Blue Cat Eye Magnetic Gel. I definitely want to do some kind of aquarium nails with this for sure. I think that's going to be amazing for aquarium nails. I just love the effect. I am a big fan of magnetic gels. I don't use them as often as I should because they're absolutely stunning. So that's those. And that is the black gel paint. I can't show you the white because I went over the white, didn't I, with the cat eye. Silly Belay. Then we've got the Born Pretty Polygel. The pearl pink is the new one. I already had the soft pink. Gorgeous colours. And then lastly, we've got the Spider Gel. I definitely want to play about with that more and see what other things I can mix into it. But I did like the way that this turned out. Rubbing the chrome powder into that cured Spider Gel. I think that's really cool. And that's those. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. Sorry it was a little bit longer than normal, but there was quite a lot to get through and quite a lot to show you. But I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.